people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Balance and Latest, if I can hold it properly, the Balance and Latest in Beauty Change Makers in Beauty box. This is a box that retails for £30. It's got 16 products inside, which all total up to £120 if you were to buy them all individually. Let's see what's inside this box, but before we do, just to let you know that I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so that you enjoy these kind of videos. And let's just get straight into it. The other thing that's going on in the world, by the way, I'm going to be uploading more videos than what I normally do. I normally do Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays at 6 o'clock UK time. However, I'm going to be doing some bonus videos, so make sure you turn that notification bell on so you don't miss any of them. Let's just see what's inside this box. So first up we have this from the brand Tropic. This is their Super Greens Nutrient Boost Oil, which just looks like this. It's 5 mils. It's a facial oil. Apparently it includes a banquet of healthy ingredients found in your green smoothie. It's meant to leave your skin conditioned and glowing with vitality. Next we have some sunscreen. This is the Ren Clean Skincare, no chemicals, UV filters, no silicone. Clean Screen Mineral SPF 30 Mattifying Face Cream. God, that was such a long one. This is 10 millilitres. Just looks like this. Then we have something from the brand Divines, like this. And this is called Momo Conditioner. Never even heard of this before. It says it's a moisturising conditioner for dry or dehydrated hair with yellow melon extract in it. And it was made in Italy. 75 millilitres. We have some eye patches, some eye gels from the brand Patchology. This is the Soothing Cannabis Seed Oil Infused Eye Gels. This just says chill mode. I'm actually really enjoying trying eye gels recently, so I'm going to see what this one's like as well. It just says it's formulated with natural tea leaves and cannabis seed oil for soothing, smoothing and looking like a smoke show. No smoking required. We've got some hemp-infused natural nutrition moisturiser from the brand Dr. Botanicals, which just looks like this. And then from the brand Botonics, which I actually think is a like one of the Boots' own brands. This is their hydrating eye cream for all skin types. Really, really big. Like, must be a full size one, that one. It's like 15 millilitres. From Bare Minerals, we have the Skin and Longevity Vital Power Infusion. What is this? I don't actually know what this is. This says after cleansing, apply 2 pumps over entire face and neck. Use morning and night. It says it's a vegan, age-defying serum. Ah, it's a serum. To give you glowy, healthy looking skin. We have some Care in Hand cream. It says protection for hard-working hands, and with medical grade Manuka honey in it. This is like this. Is again looks like a full-size one. 75 millilitres. We have like a little card explaining how to use this product. This is the Kiehl's Turmeric and Cranberry Seed Energizing Radiance Mask. I've heard really good things about this. It's meant to be something to like help brighten the skin's appearance. And it has like a little thing of like how to use it. And it says if you bring it in to recycle it, you receive a complimentary stamp. And then they can give you like a little personalised consultation and some complimentary samples as well. So obviously I won't be doing that anytime soon as I'm in lockdown, but when lockdown is released, when we can leave the house again, I'll definitely check that one out. We have something from the Love Beauty and Planet brand. This is the coconut oil and ylang ylang, I think that's how you pronounce it, tropical hydration shower gel, and it's vegan as well. And this is what it looks like. Really cute packaging. Should we have a little sniff? Oh my god, that smells really nice. It just typically smells just like coconut. It's like really fresh holiday kind of scent. Something from a brand I've never heard of. This is the Indigo Interlude Prismology Foot Cream. 40 millilitres. This is a deeply moisturising cream with antioxidants, mood-enhancing actives, sapphire microcrystals and a fragrance to help soothe your dry, tired feet and leave skin soft and supple. So it just looks like this. Foot cream are like creams in my body, like moisturising cream, something that I like never really use, so I need to start getting into that. We have something from Glam Glow. This is their Super Serum 6-Acid Refined Treatment. It says apply to clean dry face morning and or night. Follow with a moisturiser. And this is just what it looks like. We have something from the brand Jerlique, is that how you pronounce it? This is their Supreme Restorative Rich Cream, Nutri Define, It just says warm between fingertips and then gently press and smooth onto skin, neck and décolletage. It says for supreme results, use morning and evening following your preferred gelique serum and eye care. It just looks like this. 3 more products left. This box is like a really, really big one. We have the Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser. It says use AM and PM, massage over dampened face and neck, rinse and pat dry. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's got like little tiny like beads in it as well. And then from the LOVELIB brand, and this is the Wild Rose Pampering Body Oil. Ooh, body oil. So that'll be interesting to try. And then we also, last but certainly not least, is the Nukes Paris. This is the deliciously nourishing body scrub for dry and sensitive skin. Let's have a smell of. Oh my god, I wasn't expecting it to be like. That's really thick. Oh my god, it just smells really, really nice though. So yeah, that is the nourishing body scrub. Really, really thick and smells amazing. So that's everything that you get in this box. Like I said, it's 16 products, but it retails for £30. I will leave it linked down below. I'd get it while you can because it has been on the website for quite a while. So I'd get it while you can before it does go off the website. If you want me to do more videos like this, and please give it a thumbs up. Or if there's anything like you want me to test in a video in the future, then leave a little comment down below and let me know what you want me to try. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Love you so much. Bye.